Hey, good afternoon guys, how you doing? Back with you again. Quick video. No flying today. Big snowstorm, as you can see on my screen here on the computer. As you can see right here, lots of IFR all over the place. Snow, ice, rain, wind shear, all that kind of fun stuff. So no flying today. Hangar flying instead. I'm doing a test on the GoPro here, the Hero 5, which I've set up here. What I want to do is fully charge one of the batteries and just hit the record button and see how many minutes of footage I get on the how many minutes of footage I get out of a full battery. So it's set up 1080p, 60 frames a second. The field of view is wide, kind of a standard setting for aviation or flying video. Well, that's the settings I use anyhow. I'm just going to hit the record button here, and we're going to let the battery do its thing. And when the battery finally dies, I'll come back to you with the results of how many minutes of footage I get on a full battery. And then I'm going to show you the improvement I made. I made an improvement to one of my camera mounts, and I'm going to show you how I was able to, I think I was able to increase the record time for the Hero 5. So while this is running, I'm going to set up the other camera, and I'll be right back to show you what I came up with. And I'm going to put that camera going, and I will compare the two times at the end of the whole exercise, and we'll have the results for you. So while this one is recording, I'll set up the other one, and I'll be right back. So stand by. Thanks. Okay, back again guys, here you go. This is the new mount that I made. As you can see here, it's your standard RAM suction cup mount, Amazon.com, okay? Comes up here, tripod base. Here's where it gets homemade. Here's a 6-inch piece of channel aluminum, as you can see right there. It's just a little piece of channel. Right there. Camera mounted on one side. Screw here to mount it to the tripod base. And then over here we have an electrical conduit clamp. Right there. Put a little lock nut up here. This is a battery backup pack that I picked up on Amazon. It's called the My Charge. I don't know if you can see that there. My Charge. Anyhow, it's attached to the mount, so the camera and the backup battery are all in one. This is fully charged right now. If I turn on the LEDs, you can see the LEDs are fully charged. Camera in the mount is fully charged, so I'm going to turn that on. Now you're asking me, well, how does this thing work? Anyhow, I take the charging end. As you can see, the USB is in the battery backup already, so go along to the other end of the cable and we plug it into the GoPro. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the battery, but there's a little lightning bolt running through the battery symbol on the screen, so that means that the power from here is charging the camera right now. So here I go. I'm going to hit record. There it goes. Now, this is where I want to see the results. I'm going to let all the power deplete from this. So right now the power from here is running the camera over here. So when the power is gone from here, the camera relies on the battery that's inside the camera. When the battery inside the camera dies, the whole thing should shut down. And then when I put a fresh battery in the camera, I'll be able to see how much footage I got. So there's the setup. There it is. Suction cup mount with the little homemade arm, so I can fit the battery backup charger and the camera all in the one mount. And it's recording there now. So we're going to see how many minutes of footage we can capture using this setup. It should be a little more than the standard single batteries, but I'm not exactly sure how much more it is, so this is more of a test for myself. I want to see how many minutes of footage I get on one of these. So there it is, the latest invention. We're going to be trying this out in the next flight in the Cirrus, the SR20 G6. I'm on the G6 now, so look out for that video. But in the meantime, stand by. I'll come back with the results for you, and we'll see what we got. All right. Thanks for watching, and stand by. I'll be right back with the results. Thanks. Okay, guys, back with you again from the first camera that I set in motion. As you can see right there on the screen, 1 hour and 54 minutes of footage on a fully charged GoPro HERO 5 battery, 1080p 60 frames a second, so we get 1 hour 54 minutes on a full battery. And now I'm going to see what I got when I use the backup battery charger on the other mount. So let's see what we got on that one. So there you have it, 1 hour 54 on a single battery. Now let's see what the difference is when we check out the other one. Stand by, I'll be right back. Thanks. Alright guys, back with you again. As I showed you before, 1 hour 54 on the fully charged GoPro on its own. So let's see what we got on this one. There you go, 5 hours 34 minutes. That's the amount of time the camera recorded until the backup battery depleted and the battery inside the camera depleted. 5 hours 34 minutes. That's quite an increase in video capture time. That's 3 hours and 28 minutes, I think it is. I did some maths before I came on the video. So it is 3 hours 28 minutes of extra footage by using this homemade setup. So there you have it. That's how I got my GoPro to record for so long. That little setup right there. I'm going to be trying this out on the G6 in the Cirrus in the next flight. Hopefully I can load the video right up there on my YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, if you have any comments, jot them in the comment box below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to know any more. If you like what you see and you want to see more flying videos, hit the subscribe button, and we'll be sure to try this setup out in the Cirrus in the G6 on the next flight. So that's about it. That's how I increase the recording capability of my GoPro. If you have another idea, I'd love to see it. Until next time, until you're in the virtual right seat in the Cirrus SR20 G6. Thanks for stopping by the channel. There you go, one more time. Look at the difference right there. There it is. Anyhow, stay safe, fly safe, stay current, stay proficient, and if you're not sure about anything, pick up your phone and call your flight instructor. See you in the right seat on the next flight. All the best. Take care.